Silver's breaking point, October 10th, changes everything. October 10th, a date that will mark a major turning point for silver, is right around the corner. When trading volumes thin, even smaller US data points or a single bond auction can create ripples across global markets. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner was Brett from California. You should be the next winner taking home that silver. Click that link down below and take home that silver. Now, look at this. The first event to watch is the U.S. Wholesale Inventories Report. This gives us a pulse on how much stock wholesalers are holding compared to how fast goods are actually moving. If businesses are piling up unsold inventory, it often signals weaker demand. And that kind of slowdown tends to lift the US dollar and weigh down on silver. On the other hand, if inventories are shrinking or building more slowly, it suggests demand is picking up. And that usually softens the dollar and that pushes silver higher. So as we approach October 10th, imagine a weaker than expected inventory number hitting the tape. That kind of surprise could light a short-term rally in silver, especially if it catches traders in Asia first and spills into the U.S. trading. Remember, Asian markets, they move before we do. We're sleeping when they're already moving. That's why many dealers and seasoned stackers check the spot price Sunday night, because the Asian market is already awake and moving. The second key event is the 30-year Treasury bond auction. And while it might sound like something only bond traders care about, it's actually one of the clearest barometers for market confidence. Here's why it matters for silver. When the government sells long-term debt, investors reveal how much appetite they have for holding those bonds. If the auction goes poorly and investors demand higher yields to buy in, that signals nervousness about inflation, nervousness about deficits. Rising yields often strengthen the dollar and create headwinds for silver. But if the auction attracts solid demand and yields remain contained, that supports a softer dollar, and it can open the door for metals to move higher. So picture this. October 10th rolls around and the 30-year auction clears without a hitch. That calm tone might feed into risk markets and give silver a little breathing room to continue its rally. But if the auction stumbles and yields jump, silver could feel that pressure almost instantly. Pressure meaning spot price moving down to your buy price. When you put these pieces together, the story becomes much more interesting. Imagine wholesale inventories coming in soft, suggesting improving demand, while the 30-year auction performs smoothly. Those two developments combined, they could set a bullish tone in the overnight market. Asia traders often get that first crack. By the time the US opens, silver could already be showing strength carried over from the prior session. That's how this works. I'm going to be checking that spot price first thing October 10th morning. And I'm not giving you financial advice, but that's where you should be looking, because this could really move silver faster than we've ever thought coming. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring the challenge. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles. 20 eagles. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.